Hello students, today we'll discuss about the Bluetooth architecture under Unit 1 of wireless networks. The subject code of wireless networks is 19EC507. Let us quickly go through the course outcome of our first unit. It states that we are going to study the salient features of different types of wireless network. So our CO1 is defined as to write the salient features of various wireless networks. So in today's class, we'll discuss the architecture of Bluetooth and its protocol stack and the function of the various layers under Bluetooth protocol stack. So before getting into the architecture of Bluetooth, let us know what is the main motivation behind the invention of Bluetooth. So when we just did back, the first attempt to define our personal area networks started around 1994. They in fact worked on communication between mobile phones using low power and low cost radio interfaces. So this research on low power communication later on led to the discovery of Bluetooth Special Interest Group, whose main aim was to propose a standard for personal area networks implementing a low power and low cost radio interface, and there came the birth of Bluetooth technology. So now, what is the actual meaning behind Bluetooth? So this Bluetooth actually deploys a radio frequency technology for its communication, and this Bluetooth was actually named after a king Danish Harald Blattend, who reigned the Scandinavians, and he influenced those people and converted them to Christianity. Since he was very much fond of blueberries, he was called as Bluetooth, and this technology was named after the remembrance of this Danish king Harald Blattend. So now we'll discuss about the architecture of Bluetooth. So when we talk about the Bluetooth protocol stack, we have basically the physical layer, and then we have the link layer, and then goes the application layer. So when we talk about the physical layer, it covers the radio layer as well as the baseband layers, and this forms the bottommost layer. And the second layer is known as the link manager and local link to adaptation protocol layer. So this is also serving as the host controller interface along with L2CAP. And then we have the application layer. So this mainly supports various applications like RF communication, STP, and TCS. So whenever we talk about the protocol stack of Bluetooth, this is performing different functions, like it assists us to locate devices, helps us to connect to other devices, and also to exchange data. So we people mainly use Bluetooth for exchanging data, am I right? So we try to partition the architecture of Bluetooth into 3 layers as we discussed in the previous slide. So the major classification are grouped as transport protocol group, middleware protocol group, and the application group. So this transport protocol group is the bottommost layer, which we discussed to be the physical one, and this constitutes radio layer as well as the baseband layer. So it also includes the logical link control and the adaptation layer along with the host controller interface. And then we have the middleware group. So this comprises the order of communication channel, STP, and IRDA. The third one, which is the topmost layer, covers the application which supports Bluetooth wireless links such as modem dialers and the web browsing client applications. So these three are the major functions of Bluetooth architecture. So now let us go through the features of the radio or the physical layer. The radio part of this physical layer exhibits the characteristics of the transceivers. The design specifications like the frequency, the channel interference and modulation characteristics are considered here. And the Bluetooth system operates in the globally available ISM band, and the type of modulation we use here is Gaussian frequency shift keying method. And then comes the baseband layer. So the main function of this layer includes frequency hopping, making connections between devices, as well as MAC or the medium access control. This Bluetooth communication mainly takes place with the help of ad hoc, and it is based on creation of a network called piconets. And the next layer above the baseband layer goes the link manager protocol link, which is LMP. In short, link manager protocol. So this is mainly responsible for setting up and maintenance of the properties of different Bluetooth links. It also caters to the needs of power and also establishes security. And this also helps us to provide quality support, and it takes the control over the parameters like delay and delay jitter. And finally, we need to focus on the various security issues posed by our Bluetooth technology. The main security features of Bluetooth includes challenge response routine for authentication. It implements a stream cipher for encryption and session key generation. And of course, every connection needs one-way, two-way or no authentication using challenge response routine. And these methodologies are implemented at higher level layers and they offer stronger encryption. And these security features that are deployed in Bluetooth helps us to set up a local domain of trust between various devices. Thank you.